Construction of ellipse by concentric circles method. An ellipse has the major axis and the minor axis in the ratio 3:2. Draw the ellipse when the major axis is 135 mm. Let x be the length of minor axis. The given ratio 3:2 equals to 135 is to x. Then x will be equal to 2 into 135 divided by 3, which is equal to 270 by 3, which is equal to 90 mm. So the length of the minor axis is equal to 90 mm. Then
Start.
draw the concentric circles, considering the length of major axis as the diameter of the bigger circle and length of minor axis as the diameter of the smaller circle. So your major axis length is 135 mm. That is the diameter of the bigger circle. So diameter is 135 mm means the radius is to be taken while drawing the circle. The radius is equal to 67.5. Draw the circle of radius 67.5 because the major axis length is 135 mm. Then with the same center, again you have to draw another circle of radius 45 mm because the length of the minor axis you got 90 mm. That will be the diameter of the smaller circle. While drawing the circle you have to take the radius equal to 45. The same center you have to draw another circle. After drawing the concentric circles, draw the horizontal line and the vertical line, the perpendicular lines, perpendicular to each other. Horizontal and vertical line perpendicular to each other. Then with the same radius, that is, which is taken as 67.5, this point as center, strike the arc here. And with this point as center, strike the arc. With this point as center, strike the arc. And here with this point as center, strike the arc. Name these points as A and this as B and this point as C and this point as D. Then mark the points as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, this is 11 and this is 12. Through all these points draw the lines, thin lines. So here on the smaller circle, on the circumference of the smaller circle, you are getting the points. Here it is marked as 1. Here you have to mark it as 1 1. This is 2 1. This is 0.31, 4 1, 5 1, 6 1, 7 1, 8 1, 9 1, 10 1, 11 1, and this is 12 1. Here you have to draw the horizontal lines. Horizontal lines. Here, horizontal lines through the point 10 1 and 8 1. Horizontal lines here. Then you got the points here. These are the points. Name these points as so you're getting the ellipse. So yeah. Then you have to draw a tangent and normal. Select any point on the curve. Name this point as M. Then take the radius OA as radius. OA as radius with C as center. C as center. Strike the arc on the line AB. Both sides. Strike the arc on the line AB, both sides. Name this as F1 and this as F2. Join F1M and produce it. Join F1M, produce it. Join F2M and produce it. Join F2M and produce it. Then bisect this angle. Here you are getting the angle. Bisect this angle. Taking any convenient radius, strike the arc on this line, on both the lines. The same radius with this point as center. You strike the arc here. With this point as center, you get the arc. So you are getting the point N. Join M and N. Join M and N. So this will be the normal. Perpendicular to this line, you have to draw a tangent. Perpendicular to this line. So because the angle between the tangent and the normal should be 90 degree. This is the tangent. And this will be the normal. This is the tangent and this is the normal. This angle will be equal to 90 degrees. This angle is equal to 90 degrees. That will be marked as P1, P2, and this point is P3, P4, this is P5, this point is P6, and this is P7, and this is P8, and this is P9, P10, P11, and this point is P12.